Hey guys, quick update. It's Friday. I have been so busy this week, I haven't been able to do video. I'll give you a few updates. The transmission for the CJ6 is pretty much kaput. I think I explained what was going on. We are now putting it back together so we can put it back in the vehicle, so we can move the vehicle, at least get it in and out of this place. Until we can locate a transmission that will work. We did find out that these pin bearings, there's 7 of them missing that were not even in the transmission when we took it apart. So that's lovely. So this thing had problems when it came in. So let's see what else we got going on. What do we do here? We've got the Mustang is still in the same position as it was. I am building the speaker section for the subs right now. Let me take you in the office and I'll show you what I got with that. The grill for the Chevelle is now black. Used to be blue. We used the vinyl dye on that. In here, here is the amp setup. This is for the subs in the trunk. So we got 2 Memphis 10-inch. I believe they're 480 watts each. And we mounted them on 3/4-inch birch that we Raptor lined. And this will be covered on the bottom with sound deadening material to keep anything from vibrating. So that's where we're at on that. We got our parts in for the Mustang windows. They came in yesterday. So we're gonna start putting that stuff back together. On the Chevelle, what we got done so far today, we've got all the new body bushings are in. So she's now stable on that. This here, while I was gone on vacation, the guys did an awesome job putting these rocker panels in, as you can see. They did this side, and they did the other side. What we are waiting on right now is for the truck to go on the other side so we can weld the inner panels that I told you we cannot get, which are down there underneath the right there underneath the Chevelle. They have to get welded in, but we need the big lift to put this on, and we only have 9,000 pound ones here. We got a 20,000 on the other side, so we can get this up in the air and get it welded. Floor pan we took out today. We got to grind all the edges in here so I can get it welded in. And we still have yet to get this panel in over here. I don't even know where it is anymore. It's somewhere. It's either in the car or laying around somewhere. There it is in the car. That's got to get welded in. We got the doors here for this truck that have to go back on. But we can't do that until we get it painted. I had a Nissan Rogue come in. This is the bumper for it. It's over in the lot. And it got totaled. It was actually... We were at 14,500 in repairs, and then the adjuster came and we found some more damage, so it went above 64%. So they wound up totaling it out. As a matter of fact, let's go for a walk. I'll take this over and we'll show you that. We have the adjuster on his way for the Jeep Gladiator. There's George. Say hi, George. Jeep Gladiator. This one took a hit in the front. So we have all this work to do here. We're at 4,800 on this, right around there. Insurance company is at, I believe, 2,800. So we're about 2,000 off. So this is the Rogue. Hello.
Hi.
I was just bringing the bumper out.
Oh, it's fine. I don't think I had anything back there anyway.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, unfortunately, they totaled it out.
Yeah, I know. It's so crazy. But it is what it is.
Yeah, yeah.
I was sitting in the car. I was parked.
Yeah. The whole thing is the back is twisted.
Yeah,
You
I know.
It's
He
twisted.
hit me just at the right
It
angle.
twisted there, and it actually kinked the car up there and all the way down there.
And I mean, he hit me pretty hard because my car turned sideways.
Yeah.
I was parked and it was sideways.
Yeah.
So thank God there was no car next to me.
Yeah, yeah. You would have been
Otherwise,
involved for that.
It would have been a lot worse for me, I think.
Yeah, you would have had to pay for that because you got pushed into him.
Yeah. Well, technically.
Yeah, you sued the first guy,
I was
and then
parked.
Yeah. Oh, you were parked.
I was
Okay.
in a parking spot.
Oh boy.
Yeah, I just got jostled around.
That's
all
crazy.
That. I couldn't get these stupid things. My husband was supposed to do it so many times, and he never did it, and now they're just staying there.
Oh boy.
And I can't get them off.
I thought you were with the insurance company. I didn't know you were the owner. I just
No,
brought
yeah.
this out because it's got to go with it when it
Yeah,
gets
no,
towed.
they're coming. I don't know if they're coming today, but probably Monday because
Yeah.
I was getting my stuff out.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
mean, all like the garbage, I just kind of left it there. They're
Yeah,
just
they're gonna throw it away anyway.
exactly. So I just took all my stuff out.
Yeah, you know, if it was worth fixing and we could fix it,
Listen,
I would say yeah, but
it's a lease car.
yeah,
I was gonna buy it out, but
good thing you didn't.
yeah. Well, I mean, now all the money's going to Nissan, not me, and now I still have to get another car.
Yeah, that's the only bad thing
Yeah, and
when
then there's
this
like
happens.
fees, like Nissan, like I have to pay like them $1,000 because of a loss
Yeah,
deduction.
right,
like,
right.
Things like that.
Yeah, that's the only bad thing with leases.
Yeah, exactly. But
Yeah.
I'll just get another one and I'll buy that one out in 3 years.
Watch out for the other guy
While you're sitting in a
while
parked
you're
car.
sitting in a parked car. All right, nice meeting you. Thank you. All right, so that's what we have. Then let's go over here. Just you know, have to be personable with everybody. This is the Ram 2500 that came in. This was hit hard in the front. This is almost a $10,000 repair. As you can see down here, it pushed the whole front end back, so we got to redo that. We got a fender going on, inner fender, grill, bumper, headlight, all the stuff that we need. Yes, I know. That's the,
hit from behind.
oh boy.
Neither our fault, but look at here we are.
Yep. Okay, and then again, this Jeep over here, just we're going to be getting a shop truck. So this Jeep here is being traded for a 1949 F1, Ford F1. I guess it's a panel van. Oh, let me try to get the hood open. I want to see what engine is in this. Yeah, this is a 4-liter. Perfect. Yeah, this is getting traded for a 49 F1 Ford, and it's going to be a shop truck, and we are going to fix it up and use it as a parts transporter and for car shows. So this is getting traded for it. So it'll probably even trade. So you guys can look forward to that. That'll be a classic restoration. I guess I think that's all we got. Throughout the week we've been doing odd and end stuff. We did Raptor liner yesterday in a Chevy pickup. We did that Jeep down there. We worked on the top on that. And then we had another Jeep come in that we put a hard top on. This is the old hard top from old soft top from it. So we've been pretty well busy. Just trying to finish out the week on a good note. So hope you guys liked the video, and we will update next week. Later.